Hello. Hello and welcome to this video on Python regular expressions. This will be another small video where we will study more of Python regular expression. So let's get started with the example. So again, the test is hello world. Okay. And what we are going to look at is the negation. So if you watched the last video, then you know that the caret character matches the beginning of 10. But when inside brackets, it acts as negation. So here I am trying to match or rather search for capital H, which should be right at the beginning. Let's first remove this, okay, and see what is the output. So we run this. Oops. Okay. So you see it matches because the H will match the hello. And then dot star means it will take everything else. But what if we do a caret here? Will it match? It will not match. The caret acts as a negation that it must not be H. You can give it other things as well, H, I, J, K, L. Okay? So let's see if it matches now. So it does not match the H, but it matches everything else. Now, what if we do I here? Okay? Then it will not match both. Still hello world. What? So again, if I say ILO world, it will not match again. So that's how the negation works. So it is in the brackets, it will work. Okay. The second thing which I wanted to talk about is the word boundary. Word boundary is given by \b. So see, \b will start a word boundary. Make it follow. It is irritating me that it is ILO. So \b will start a word boundary here at the beginning, and then it is W plus, which will match hello, alphanumeric string. Then I end it with another word boundary, and then S, then another word boundary, then W plus, and then another word boundary. So let's see what it prints. It should print hello world, which is what it prints. Now, if you want to look at the groups, what you can do is you can look for groups so that we are sure that we match the correct thing. Now we put here groups 1, that should be our hello. And if you look at group 2, that should be our world. So if you have not watched the first part, you should go and watch the first part because the groups 1 and 2 are discussed there. Now we comment this as well. Now we have a text color, COLOUR. Now this is British English. What if we want to write a regex which matches colors of both British and American English? So what you can do is you can put a question mark after U. So that means U will be matched 0 or 1 time. So even if it is color, COLOR, it will match. So let's see this. Okay, so we run this and we matched color. What if I change it to COLOR? It will match that as well. So one of the classic usage of this will be in the month names. For example, a month name can be 3 character or 4 character. For example, it could be June or JUNE. So I have written E question mark here. So it will match JUN as well as JUNE. Comment this out. So we run this and it will match our June. All right. Now we comment this out. Now we are going to look at something called a back reference. All right. So what we are doing here is we are looking at word boundary and followed by S plus, that is space. You are looking at a word, then a space, and then \1. Now what this \1 will do is it will try to look at this. It is the same word which we have, same group which we have captured here. That is the group 1 is what we are referring to in \1. So what this essentially means, it is a pair of two words which are essentially same. So a pair of duplicate words separated by one or more space. So we run find all and then we see duplicate words found in the matches. Okay. So you see there are two words duplicate here, test and then words and word. So let's see how it works out. So we have test and words here. Now if you want to replace this, you can call re.sub and then you can look how it works. The first argument is the pattern, the second argument is the replacement, and the third argument is the text on which you want to apply the replacement. So the pattern will look for two words and our replacement is one word, that is the first group, and then the text on which this has to be applied. So replaced text will have one test and one word. So let's run this and you see here is the output with one test and one word. So as I said in the beginning, it will be a very small video. I don't want to overload you with a lot of thinking. So with this much information, think of practical use cases where you will apply this information. Okay, how we can use regular expression for day-to-day work. In day-to-day work, how will you apply that? One word of warning about regular expressions is don't try to make complicated regular expressions. The reason is you might write it in a very clever fashion when you are writing it, but 1 month down the line when you will come back and suppose you have hit a bug there in the regular expression, it will be very hard to debug it because reading regular expression is very hard when you have lost the context. So try to keep regular expression as simple as possible. So I will end the video here and we will do more. We will see more of regular expression in the next video, which will be again a short video. There is a reason why I'm making small videos on regular expression. The reason is it can get complicated very fast. So I want to keep things very simple so that it gets into the muscle memory. So thanks a lot for watching and do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Subscribe the channel and like the video. You know the reason, YouTube algorithm will make it appear on more searches and it motivates me as well. So once again, thanks a lot for watching. Happy programming.